Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your study at home. I am back going with a revisional notes and video of your social study. So today we are going to cover chapter 1 and 2. Let's begin start. So do you know students? So first of chapter, let's start our body. So do you know students? Our body like that eye, ear, nose, lip, chest, hand, finger, leg, foot and etc. Okay students. So first explanation, exercise and first word meaning. First explanation, word meaning. Sense. Sense. Feel. Sense meaning is feel. Experience. Okay. Now next meaning, heard. Next meaning, heart. The part of our body that pump blood. So do your work heart, the part of our body that pumps blood to the rest of the body. Do you know sense organ students? The parts of our body that help us see. Like this eye, so do your work, see. Ear, do your work, hear. Skin, work, feel. And nose, do your work, smell. And taste, taste work, tongue. In tongue, do your work, taste. Now let's do next word, lungs. Lungs, the part of our body that help us digest. Okay? The part of our body that help us breathe. The part of our body that help us breathe. Now next, stomach. The part of our body that help us digest what we eat. The part of our body that help us digest we eat. Okay students, digest. Do break down food in your substance. Do break down food in your stomach into substance that your body can use. Is that clear? Brain, the part of our body that control all other parts. It is help us think, see, hear and move. Is that clear? Bones, they lie below. Bones, they are hard and strong. Bones, they are hard and strong. It means they lie below our skin and give our body shapes and protection. Is that clear? Now come to the next question, filling the blanks. Next question, filling the blanks. So first one, we see with our. We see with our eyes. EYES. Okay. Now next one, we taste things with the help of our tongue. We taste things with the help our tongue. Spelling of tongue, TONGUE. Is that clear? Now next third one, our skin help us feel. Our skin help us feel. Is that clear? Now fourth one, our blood carries dash and dash. Our blood carries food and oxygen. Is that clear? Now I come to Now next, to every part of our body, our blood carries food and oxygen to every part of our body. Is that clear? Fifth one, our lungs help us. Our lungs help us. So write here, breathe. 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 Our lungs help us breathe. Is that clear? Now come to the next question. Mark the following as true or false. Correct the ones that are false. Is that clear? So first one, we sense sound using our nose. Do you know, students? We sense someone using our nose. So write here, false. And correct the concept statement. Correct statement. We sense sound using our ear. Is that clear? Now second one, our sense organ give our body shape and protect the inner body parts. False. Correct statement, our sense organ help us understand the world around us. Is that clear? Now third one, we use the brain to see, smell and hear. False. Correct statement, our brain control all body parts. Is that clear? Now fourth one, the food that we eat goes into our heart. False. Correct statement, the food that we eat goes into our stomach. Okay. Our sense organ. Our sense organ, do you know, students, our sense organ? Eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. So first, our body help us sense to world around us in many different ways. So do you work? Eyes. Our eyes help us see. Our eyes help us see. And ears. Our ears help us hear. Nose. Our nose help us smell. And tongue. Our tongue help us taste. Our skin help us feel. Is that clear? Now come to the next question. Answer the following questions. Answer the following question. What are sense organ? Explain the function of any two sense organ. Okay. The part of our body that help see, hear, feel, smell and taste are known as sense organs. Eyes. Our eyes help us see. Ear. Our ears help us hear. Is that clear? Now second one, what does that heart do? Do you know, students, what does that heart do? Our heart pump blood to different parts of our body. Is that clear? Now third one, explain the role of the stomach in our body. Do you know, students? Explain the role of the stomach in our body. Our stomach. Answer, our stomach break the food down into simple substance that the body can use. Is that clear? Now fourth one, why is the brain called the most important part of our body? Answer, because brain controls all the body parts. Because brain controls all the body parts. Is that clear? Now come to the next. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct answer. So write here one question, write here 4 answer, 3 answer and choose the one answer is correct. So first one, our heart lie inside the. So option number A, chest, B, head, and stomach, C, stomach. So our heart lie inside the, do you know students, our heart lie inside the chest. So option number A, right answer is chest. Is that clear? Now second one, our internal parts are protected by our, so answer number, option number A, brain, B, leg, and C, bones. Our internal parts protected by our, so option number C, bones. Is that clear? The food we eat is broken down into simple substance in our, so option number A, stomach, lungs, and heart. Question is once again, the food we eat is broken down. So next, fourth one, our brain lie inside the, do you know students, our brain lie inside the, option number A, chest, head, and stomach. So option number B is right answer, head. So option number B is right answer, head. Our brain lie inside the head. Is that clear students? Now come to the next chapter, our body need food. So students, today we are explain two chapter and revision. First chapter, our body, and second chapter, our body need food. So like this, need food, rice, white brown bread, chapati, potato, sugar, milk, curd, paneer, cheese, fish, chicken, Latin, boiled egg, fruits, and vegetables. Okay students, we need food to grow. Food give us energy for work and play. Food also protects us, our bodies, from diseases. We also feel happy when we eat things that we like. It is important to eat healthy food as it make us strong and keep us fit. Is the, like this, different kinds of food, rice, chapati, potato, sugar, and energy giving food, rice, bread, potato, and sugar, and bodybuilding foods, egg, fish, meat. Okay, vegetarian and non-vegetarian protective food, and etc. So let's start explain word meaning. First exercise, word meaning, energy. First word, energy, the part of, the power to do work. Is that clear students? The power to do work. Now second one, vegetarian, a person who does not eat meat, fish, and egg. Non-vegetarian, a person who eats meat, fish, or eggs. Is that clear? Now next, raw, not cooked. It means not cooked. Okay. Now next, meal, an occasion when food is eaten, usually at fixed times of the day, such as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Also the food eaten during such occasion. Is that clear? Now come to the next question, filling the blanks. Dash and dash are bodybuilding food. Do you know students? Dash and dash are bodybuilding food. So like your first dash, like your milk, and second dash right here, eggs. Milk and eggs are bodybuilding foods. Is that clear? Now second one, dash and dash are two examples of milk product. So students, write here first that milk product curd, and write here second dash milk product paneer. like that's cheese. Okay, so write here first dash, write here curd, and second dash, write here paneer are two examples of milk product. Is that clear? Now third one, dash and dash are protective foods. Do you know, students? Write it two protective foods. So first dash write here protective food fruits, and second dash write here protective food vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are protective foods. Is that clear? Now fourth one, the food eaten raw to people. The food eaten raw. The food eaten between two proper meal is called a. The food eaten between two proper meal is called a dash. Snack. Snacks. Okay. So now fifth one. First dash and dash are two foods that can be eaten raw. Like here, eaten raw. Yani first dash write your fruits and second dash write your nuts. Fruits and nuts are two foods that can be eaten raw. Is that clear? Now come to the next question. Mark the following sentences as true or false. Mark the following sentences as true or false. So first one, sugar is a bodybuilding food. True or false? False. Fruits protect us from diseases. Fruit protects us from diseases. True. Vegetable make our teeth strong. False. Dinner is the first meal of the day. False. And we can eat Latin raw. False. Okay students, now come to the next questions. Option. Choose the correct answer. First one, potato. Option. Right here three options. One question right here three options. So choose the correct one. Answer is right. Okay. So first one, protect us from diseases. B, make us grow, and C, give us energy. So right here for choose the correct option. So correct option is give us energy, and option number C is right. Now second one, milk product. Milk product. First one, give us energy. B, make our bones and teeth strong, and C, from a balanced diet. Okay, so option number B is right. Make our bones and teeth strong. Is that clear? Now third one. People usually have egg and bread for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So people usually have egg and bread for breakfast. Is that clear? Now fourth one, this food is usually eaten raw. This food is usually eaten raw. So first option rice, second nuts, and third meat. So right option is B, nuts. Is that clear? Now fifth one, a meal which has rice, dal, vegetables, curd and fruit is option number A, heavy meal, B, snacks, and C, balanced meal. So option number C, balanced meal. Okay. Now come to the next question. So first question, answer the following question. So first question, why do you need food? Answer, we need food. It give us energy, help us grow and protect us from diseases. Is that clear? Now second one, what are the three main types of food? What is the importance of each? So answer number like this. Answer, there are three types of food. First one, energy giving food. second bodybuilding food, and third one protective food. So first one energy giving food, give us energy. Okay. Now second one bodybuilding food, bodybuilding. Now second one bodybuilding food, help our bodies grow. Now third one protective food, protect us from diseases. Thank you students. Bye and take care.